Well, what a game we have in store for you today. The hype has been building all week and we're just moments away from kickoff time. Stay tuned for the live action. Well, if you like an old-time football feel, this is the place for you. We're in South London at Selhurst Park. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting next to me with his tactics charts at the ready is Stuart Robson. I'm looking forward to bringing you action from the Premier League coming right up. It's Crystal Palace versus Manchester United.
Well, Derek, as is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Well, this is the team Crystal Palace have picked.
Well, I'm intrigued to see how their two midfield players cope in there today, because they look very isolated. Yes, they're good athletes and skillful players, but it's asking an awful lot of them.
This is the team Manchester United will go with. Andre Onana is the goalkeeper. Diogo Dalot starts with Grimaldo in the full-back positions. Bruno Fernandes plays with Rodrigo Bentancur in the centre of midfield. And the idea is to have just the one striker up there trying to pose problems for the opposition. And the game begins. Lisandro Martinez. Grimaldo. How can he take them on and beat them? Well, didn't go to plan in the end. deal with it. Now in a more than decent position. So let's have a look at the table, and the chance is there for the visitors to go top if they can win.
Well, they've certainly had a great start to the season, and they've played some really good football. Hopefully we get more of the same today.
Well, Diogo Jota, a player with the ability to turn any game on his own. Stuart, what part might he play in this match?
Well, whenever the ball drops to him in the box, you expect him to score. He's such a good finisher and a good all-round player.
And support available. Oh, managing to beat him. It has to be. Oh, he's missed the chance to open the scoring.
Well, that would have been a great start to the game, but that's a bad miss.
Lisandro Martinez. Diogo Dalot on the ball. That's a good-looking ball. Oh, foul play, says the referee. And the defensive intervention there. Lisandro Martinez. The Red Devils have lost the ball. And that's a very good parry.
Well, Palace were unlucky there. Mind you, what a great save that was by the goalkeeper.
Yes, they just have to make sure they stay defensively compact here. Lisandro Martinez. Now De Ligt. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. Clears it away. And that's an important intervention. Teammates available. Song. An attack full of promise. Now they stopped them in their tracks. And the quality of pass needs to be a bit better. Ismail Assar. United doing well to regain possession. Will Hughes. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Lisandro Martinez. Diogo Dalot on the ball. Manuel Ugarte. Promising pass. Well, it's a moment he would like to have back if possible. And given away. De Ligt. Beautiful pass. And he clears the danger. Bentancur. And a long way out here. Well, I gave him the big build-up, but the keeper has it comfortably. Will Hughes. United have it once again. Mitchell. Will Hughes. Phillips. And the timing was perfect. Ball one. A really good pass. Was it a great clearance? Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Well, with tackling like that, the onus is on the referee to take action, potentially.
Well, there it is. United have had most of the ball, but their attacking players lack tempo, invention and guile. Something they need to rectify quickly if they're going to win this one.
And he does produce the yellow card.
Yeah, and it certainly deserved a yellow. It's a poor challenge, you have to say.
Diogo Dalot. This looks interesting. Interception to snuff out the danger. Phillips. Rasmus Højlund. Failure to keep the ball by Crystal Palace. Bentancur. Had that pass all the way, cutting it out. Dangerous looking attack. Mitchell. And it took a little nick before it went over the touchline. So a throw in here. Plenty of players waiting in the middle. And teammates around him. And he takes it on. Oh, did so well to deny him. And he's fired over the corner. And that's very confident goalkeeping in not easy circumstances. Now couldn't bend his run and the flag went up. Diogo Dalot. And so the first half has come to an end here at Selhurst Park. You might say he'll be happy with some aspects of his performance so far, but not every aspect, Stuart.
Well, it certainly wasn't his best half of football. He was slightly off the pace and he gave the ball away too easily at times. But we know he can do much better, so I'm expecting more from him in the second 45.
Into the second half then, and these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Diogo Dalot. More than decent this from United. Well, credit to him for the challenge, and a throw-in conceded. You've got to keep the ball a bit better than that. And the free kick awarded to Manchester United. Who can he pick out? Clearance needed to be better. Well, threat over for now. And we very much hope you'll join us for more live Premier League action on EA TV. It's Crystal Palace facing Wolves. And this is Diogo Jota now, delivering it into the box. Not too fussy in clearing his lines. Diogo Dalot. Just cutting off the supply. Manuel Ugarte. It's with Bentancur. That's a lovely ball. Taking care of business defensively here. Well, he knew he had to get to the ball, and he did. Guehi. Phillips. And a tidy tackle. Well, the outcome is a free kick here. Well, this is certainly the home of live football, EA TV, and looking forward to bringing you more action from the Premier League. It's Manchester United facing Aston Villa.
I'm really looking forward to that. Two entertaining teams in what should be a really feisty affair.
And into the last 30 minutes now. Possession one. Good through ball. And he takes on the shot. Excellent block. Player in the way again. So a corner kick it'll be following the deflection. Trying to pick out a teammate. Phillips. And this is Diogo Jota now. Possession ceded by Crystal Palace. Good distribution. Pulls it away. A glorious chance. And with that, they've thwarted the opportunity.
This is a cheating.
Showing a lot of guile there. And whipped into the box. Must take the lead here. Foiling his opponent completely. Let's get the latest on the injury situation from our pitchside man, Jeff Shreves.
From down here, it looked as though he landed actually on top of his elbow. That's why he's in so much discomfort, and that's why, of course, the bench are so concerned.
Cheers, Jeff. Effective challenge. 20 minutes to go. Will Hughes. Not the pass he had in mind. It's going to be United's free kick. Well, they've decided to make a change. Delivered into the box. And that's how to do it inside your own penalty area. Oh, sloppy passing. Brilliant save. Couldn't get it through. Very quick thinking there. Simple for the keeper. Jeffrey. The high press was on, and that's a fantastic tackle. Can he give them the lead? Oh, the referee points to the spot. Penalty. So deciding to make a personnel change at this juncture. This to make it 1-0. In it goes! A well-taken penalty.
Well, here it is again. He makes it look so easy. The keeper dives slightly early and he passes it into the other side. Really confident finish.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider.
Well, just listen to this crowd. They want a bit more. They know there's still plenty of time to find an equaliser. Surely they get another chance, maybe two.
Oh, wait a minute, Stuart. Opportunity. A goal! Sheer excitement. Level again here.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So back underway. 1 goal apiece here. Diogo Dalot. Bruno Fernandes has it. Victor Gyökeres. And he read it superbly. Archie Gray. 5 minutes remaining and level pegging here. That's a useful cross. They've regained possession. Well, the keeper asking too much of his teammates on this occasion. Throw in to come. They will now make use of their substitutes bench. And players waiting in the centre. Diogo Jota. Guehi. And Hughes has it. On the offensive, is there to be late excitement? Jota. Oh, a brilliantly timed tackle when it really mattered. Good ball over the top. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. Tyrick Mitchell. Now with Gray. Clean challenge. Gyökeres. On to Gray. So full-time here, and the two teams are locked together. A point apiece, a share of the spoils. Manchester United, your assessment of their performance?
Yes, the disappointment is clear to see. Obviously, with 10 minutes to go, they must have been feeling confident that they could see it out. But that's football, Derek. That's what we love about it.
But a standout performance from Diogo Jota, and it's certainly not the first time we've said that. Stuart, he knows how to turn on the style.
Well, a lot of their best play went through him. He got the equaliser and he was so lively in that final third. Just a shame it wasn't enough to win the match.
And the game begins. It has to be. Oh, he's missed the chance to open the scoring.
Well, that would have been a great start to...
Promising pass. Well, it's a moment he would like to have back, if possible. And he takes it on. Oh, did so well to deny him. In it goes. A well-taken penalty. A goal! Sheer excitement. And the game begins. This to make it 1-0. In it goes! A well-taken penalty.